Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your girl Abby and welcome to another episode of Make Money Online 2021. Now, if you're new, welcome. This is a series that I'm doing all throughout December where I'm sharing with you 25 different ways that you can make money from home this next coming year. And today we are going to be diving into how you can make money online with YouTube. This series is based on a free download I created earlier this year that people seem to like and downloaded a lot, so I decided to just go ahead and expand on it. So I'm giving you more details on the 25 different work from home ideas or work from home business ideas that I shared. I will go ahead and link that free download below if you want to grab a copy and follow along or skip ahead. And also throughout the series I have not one but 3 Amazon gift card giveaways going on, so please stick around till the end so you can find out how you can be one of the 3 lucky winners. So if you've been around and you know me by now, you know I like to break things down into smaller topics or smaller categories. So today when we talk about YouTube, I will be sharing with you first just a brief overview of ways that you can make money online with YouTube. I will share with you the pros and the cons, how you can get started on YouTube, the cost of getting started, some tips for success, and if I have any resources that I feel will help you out or that have helped me out, I will link them in the description box below. So how you can make money using YouTube. You guys already know what YouTube is because you are here right now watching this video. So I'm just gonna give you more of an overview of how you can make money online with YouTube. So there are 3 main ways that people make money using YouTube. The first way is through Google AdSense, and that is, you know, the ads that you see running on videos. You see them before the video, sometimes they're right in the middle, sometimes they're at the end, and also you'll see ads like in your feed. You'll see like a video pop up, or even on the side here you'll see some ads. It'll say ad on it. So that is Google AdSense. If Google is running ads or YouTube is running ads on your video, you make a small, really small amount from it. The second way that people make money here on YouTube is through sponsored videos, sponsored posts. So you will see that often if you are someone that watches YouTube videos, you'll see some of the bigger YouTubers or even small YouTubers will actually say in there that this video is sponsored by so-and-so, or you know, this video contains an ad. And now I've been seeing even where if a video does have a promotion, it'll say video contains promotion or something like that on the video as you're watching it. So that is the second way companies will pay YouTubers to make a video, either reviewing their product or just telling their subscribers or viewers about the product. And then the third way that you can make money online with YouTube is by selling your own products, your own services. So whether that is digital products, or if you are selling physical products, or even if you make it to the 10K subscribers amount, then you can have a merch shelf underneath your videos where you can sell your own print-on-demand type items, which I will be going over print-on-demand in the next couple of videos, so be sure to subscribe and stick around for that. It's a really good one. And I will get into some more tips of how you can use those ways to make money with YouTube later in the video, but I do want to go ahead and get into the pros of using YouTube to make money. So one of the main pros of YouTube is that it is the second most used search engine in the world next to Google. YouTube is owned by Google, if you are not already aware. So it is really like Google in video form. So that is huge, especially if you are selling items or have your own products or services. It means that you are getting traffic pretty much from Google, or just traffic from people that come onto YouTube and search for certain items, search for reviews on items before they buy it. I know a lot of people think that YouTube is just a social media platform, which, you know, kind of is, but it is more than that because of the fact that it is a search engine. There is huge potential with that. It means that you can get a lot of traffic from people actually searching for either what you're reviewing or what you're selling. And a second pro of using YouTube to make money online is that, and this actually may be my own opinion or my own feelings of it, but it is easier, the algorithm is easier to crack than like Instagram per se. And the reason why I say that is just because what I just talked about, that YouTube is a search engine. If you use it as such and you know how to use it to where you can rank your videos, then you have like a sure way of getting your videos found. Another pro with YouTube is that there is a huge potential for you to actually just have a full-time income by just living your life, by just being you. And you've seen this with vloggers, like lifestyle vloggers, and maybe even gamers, where they don't have a specific product that they're selling, but people are interested in seeing what their life is about, what their day is about, and that alone can give you a full-time income. And that is one of the like coolest things about YouTube, is there are people that just are sharing their lives with people and then the viewers get inspired, follow them, and now it's like they can just share their life and share their tips, share what they're going through, their experiences, and can make a living from that. So now some of the cons of YouTube. One of the major cons, for me at least, is the time that it takes to edit. Editing a YouTube video, I mean, depending on how you do it, you can get it done quickly, but if you want it to be like quality editing, it can take some time. Editing a video sometimes you can get it done in an hour, or it can take you 10 hours. The time that it takes to film, edit, and also post your video to have it be SEO optimized to where people can actually find it on the platform, that can take some time. Another con with using YouTube to make money online is if that you are using it and you are wanting to actually make money from AdSense, and that's your only route that you're trying to go, is that it's gonna take a while before you actually start making money. I mean, there's some people that get very lucky and go viral maybe with even just like their first 2 or 3 videos, but typically it takes time and you have to consistently post and consistently stay on top of your topic, keep putting out the content before you actually get monetized. What I mean by monetized here on YouTube is you need to have 1,000 subscribers and you need to have 4,000 consecutive watch time hours. It can take some time to get those watch hours and to get those subscribers, and then once you finally do get monetized, you're not gonna make a whole lot of money. I became monetized in September, the very end of September 30th. So in October, I made about $80 from YouTube ads. It's not something that you can right away make a living off of unless you're incorporating those other ways of making money, such as selling your own products, whether that's physical products or digital products, or you are doing sponsorships, which is where the bulk of a lot of money comes from if you're going to use YouTube as a source of income. And then one other con with YouTube is that it also requires some research. I mean, you can skip the research part, but really if you want to grow on YouTube, then research is a big part. Research can take time, like trying to figure out what's going to work. Next to editing, that has been what has taken the most time for me, to actually research topics that I think are going to fit with what I'm trying to put out there in the world, and also that I think will help me grow here on YouTube. So pretty much what I'm saying, the major con of YouTube is that it requires time for everything. Time to make money on it, time to create the content, time to come up with the ideas, and time to even just upload it and get the stuff out there to people. So now, before I move into how you can get started on YouTube, I want to just take a little bit of a comedic break and share with you a joke or a riddle. And if you've been following along, then you know that this has to do with the giveaway. What is Santa's favorite candy? Okay, take your best guess below. Give me your answers in the comments. And also be sure that you take the time to like this video if you are enjoying it. It really helps me out a lot here with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps more people see this video. Alright, so getting started with YouTube. The first thing that you're going to need is a Google account. So you need the Google account. To use that account to create your YouTube channel. It's just the way that it works. So you need to have a Google account that you will use for your channel. The second thing that you will need will be your filming equipment, and this doesn't have to be anything crazy. You can really film on your phone if you have one that does really good video quality, or you can go and invest in a camera, and then everything else after that, like having lights, having microphones, all that is all optional. To get started, you can really start with your phone. The next thing is you are going to need a way to edit your videos. This also you can do on your phone. They have apps now that you can just use, especially if your videos aren't too long or too heavy or too complicated to edit. You can use an app like InShot. There are apps, if you search on your phone wherever you download your apps, and you can search for a video editing app and you will find one. So if you are filming your videos on your phone, you can just as easily edit them as well. Now, if you're using a Mac, iMovie is a really good one to start with. It's free if you have a Mac. I use Final Cut Pro. That costs about $300, $299. To me, it just has a little bit more features that I wanted to use and I wanted to learn with Final Cut Pro. And then next thing to do is just really start just posting your content, post your videos. In the beginning of YouTube, when you start your YouTube channel and you start putting out your content there, it's really just like all testing. You don't know what's going to work or what's going to help you grow. You won't know until you actually start posting the videos. So that's something that you need to go ahead and get started on if you are wanting to get into YouTube. The cost of getting started, YouTube is free to start. So It doesn't cost you anything to be on the platform. It doesn't cost you anything to have a channel. The only thing that will cost you is if you decide to invest in a camera, invest in some filming equipment. So if you're going to invest in lights, if you want to invest in an editing software, like I invested in Final Cut Pro, all that is what will cost you. And then of course time, the time that it takes to make the videos and to upload them. But if you are wanting to go just the easy route, you can really use your phone and you can use free apps to edit, and it doesn't cost you anything to post them here on YouTube. So now some tips for success here on YouTube, and I'm gonna talk pretty much with YouTube growth and then also with making money on YouTube. So you need to have a plan. I'm saying this from experience. When I started YouTube, I had really no plan. I knew I wanted to post stuff. I was interested in makeup, I was interested in fashion, I was interested in hair, and I was posting it, which is fine. If you are doing YouTube as just a hobby, then it's fine. You can post whatever you want to post. But if you are using it to make money online, which is what the series is about, then you need to have a real plan of how you're going to grow on YouTube and how you are going to monetize it. Another tip for success here with growing on YouTube is this is going to be a hard one because it was a hard one for me, and I'd heard it many times and I decided to just ignore it. But if you are starting and wanting to grow, then you're going to have to put vlogging to the side. Yes, I know. For me, when I started, I wanted to vlog and that was it. I was just gonna vlog. But after 2 years of posting my vlogs and recording, editing, and then really at 2 years, I was at like maybe almost 300 subscribers. And I thought, wow, this just isn't working. I needed to do something different. And I started to do more informational type videos that can be searched for, that people are actually looking for. You know, the part when I talked about research, people are looking for these videos, they search for it, and I optimize my video well enough that I show up when you search for it. So then that is actually what helped me grow my channel. I started this year with like maybe 200 and something subscribers, maybe 300, and now I am at 1400. I feel like that made a huge change once I put aside vlogging for now and then started giving information that people were actually looking for. Another tip for growing here on YouTube is that you want to have your channel not be about too many different topics. It doesn't really help the algorithm. The algorithm won't know where to place you, who to show your videos to. So while we're actually on that topic, another tip is to research before you go and create your video. Most of my tips that I'm giving you are just from my experience. I was doing it the other way at first. I would film my vlog, whatever it is I was doing that weekend, and I would create a vlog, and then I will go and edit the video, and then after I edit the video and I go to post it, then I would research, you know, what tags to use, what title would work well, and then I wouldn't find anything that would actually help me be seen. So I would spend all this time creating a video, all this time editing it, getting it right, creating the thumbnail, and then I go to post it and it's like, oh, this video is probably not going to do well on YouTube. With that being said, another tip is to trust the process here on YouTube. You might go and research a video, research a topic, and it just says it's going to do well. Like TubeBuddy says it has great score, vidIQ says it's great. You go, you create the video, you post it, and then it doesn't do well, and you're like, what? I did all the research, I did everything right, I optimized the video. YouTube, because it is a search engine, does work like search engines. So it works as Google would. So if you're a blogger, then you would understand that when you post something on your website, it doesn't necessarily show up in the Google search right away. It might show up months from now, 6 months from now, people might start hitting up your blog post. So YouTube, from my experience, what I learned, actually works the same way. You might post something and then initially it's not going to be seen, it's not going to get a lot of traction on it, and then either weeks or months down the line, it might start picking up. So a tip here about making money on YouTube is to not rely on AdSense. AdSense, like I mentioned before, once I became monetized, I finally was able to get those ads on my channel, on my videos. I made $80 the first month, and I don't know about you, but I cannot survive on $80. I have a whole baby that I have to take care of. So if you rely on AdSense, it's going to take you some time to actually build your income. I mean, once you get to hundreds of thousands of subscribers and, you know, getting hundreds of thousands of views and millions of views, then yeah, you are going to make some significant amount of money off of that. But if you are just starting out, I would suggest that you have your own products to sell. Whether you have a website, if you are selling physical products, you can include links in your video description. You can even talk about that in your video and send people that are finding your video, send them off to your website because you might be able to get a sale from there. There's so many ways that you can actually monetize your YouTube channel without having to depend on AdSense. So I would definitely recommend that, because if you're gonna wait on AdSense, it might take some time. So one last tip I'll give, because it seems like I've just been going on and on about YouTube, is to actually enjoy what you're doing. So you've got to enjoy it, because don't just choose a topic that you may not even really care for, but you did some research and it shows that it's doing well, but you have really no interest in it, or it has nothing to do with what is going on with your life. If you start posting on it and you really don't enjoy it, and then your channel grows and the people that are subscribed to your channel are wanting to see more of that, then it's gonna become like a dreadful kind of job to you, and that's not really the point of YouTube. It's where you can be free, you can be creative, you can post the content you want to post. So enjoy what you do. It will be way more fun. Like, I actually find YouTube fun. I started on here as an outlet for me to just be creative. So if you enjoy it, you will continue. It will be easier to continue making the videos, to put in the time and the effort to edit and post the videos. So love what you do. Now, if you are just getting started with YouTube, or you're just getting started with making money online and you want some one-on-one help, I am offering 25% off strategy calls with me. So this is a 1-hour private Zoom call with me. I will include the link below. Once you click the link, you'll get the automatic discount, or you can include the code CALL25 once you check out on my website. So since you made it this far, I will go ahead and go over the giveaway details. I'm having 3 giveaways. The first giveaway is for a $50 Amazon gift card. And there are 3 things that you need to do in order to be entered into this giveaway. The first thing is to be subscribed to my channel. Second, you need to be following me on Instagram at simplybossing_up. And then the third thing is to try and answer the riddles that I ask you throughout the series in each video. Answer them in the comments below. You will be entered into the giveaway. Whoever answers the most correct will be the winner of the $50 gift card. The second giveaway is for a $30 Amazon gift card, and it is kind of like a runner-up to the first giveaway. So for this giveaway, you pretty much just need to try and answer questions or just comment anything about the video below, and you will be entered into the giveaway. You still do need to be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram at simplybossing_up. The third giveaway is for a $30 Amazon gift card, and this giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my channel, follow me on my other Instagram, the Abby Kamara, and then just send me a DM letting me know that you came over from YouTube and you'd like to enter the giveaway. If you'd like to see more videos on success here on YouTube and what my experiences have been, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to create them, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.